In this episode, I will be talking about why I strongly believe that no code is the future. So, if we were to rewind 10 years from now, many applications and web designs would depend on professional developers who had to work day and night to make the code work. The technical skills required to get custom apps or any other software up and running was not a joke, and the manual processes of writing lines of code was very tough. Fast forward to 2023, where the developer's job is to code a tool to help us develop with no code. According to the co-founder and CEO of Thunkable, Arjun Sehgal, it is the best time to jump onto the no-code train right now. No-code is the future, and if you believe you become an expert now, you will be one of the most in-demand people in the future. You may not realize it, but you have probably used a wide range of no code or low code platforms already. The chances are even higher if you are a creator on the web. And if you think you haven't used them, you definitely have come across one. Even something as challenging as creating a website or building an app can be possible thanks to no code tools. So, today I'm going to talk about a few things. First, what no code is. Second, what you can do with a no code tool. Third, what are some of the no code tool types, and fourth, what are some of the best no code tools available in the market. So there are close to 40 tools or 50 tools available in the market. Some of them have been launched recently, some of them have been existing since a long time, but try to cover most of them across different episodes. So first of all, let's start with understanding what do you mean by no code. No code, or a no code tool, to be more practical, is a method and a movement of programming that does not necessarily involve writing code for the users, but instead works with GUI, which is graphic user interface tools. This is to say that no code tools don't depend on the user's knowledge and the ability to use code. Instead, it makes use of way simpler methods to increase the efficiency. However, if we were to look at it, we must make something clear. No code doesn't really mean no code. In fact, there is coding, and this is the coding that the people who developed the tool did. However, for an easier and cheaper experience for the user of the tool, which means mostly business users, making it more scalable, and to build more scalable processes, all you need to do is click, scroll, drag, and drop. So, what is possible to do with a no code tool? Today, there is almost no limitation to what you can create with a no code tool as a non technical user, and that's one of the most important reasons why no code is becoming so popular. In fact, you can count a lot of things you already did without knowing that it was code. So, for example, from creating a website to building custom mobile apps, there are so many possibilities. You can automate your work or home tasks with no code automation tools, you can organize your data, or you can get paid via no code. Remember that one time you created a survey online that was based on no code tools as well. So, to code or not to code, that is not the question anymore. And to be specific, no code is not focused on one specific industry or area of work. There are many kinds of tools. But it is important to understand that each industry is different and each use case is different. Now, let's talk about no code tool types. Believe me when I say that there are as many types of no code tools as there are no code tool categories. So let's begin with one of them, and let's talk about, say, application or website building. Building a website, let alone, is a complex and a big task. But we have seen to have forgotten that thanks to no code tools with powerful features for website and app building, while with no code tools like Bubble, Webflow, and Card are easy tools which you can actually use on a day-to-day basis and create your own applications and websites on top of it. Onboarding and interactive guides is the second category. You have built a website, all right, but you cannot be the only one who knows how to navigate through it. No code tools offer interactive guidelines to provide a big picture to the user, and it helps you. It helps the users basically understand more about what the website is. The third category is voice. In the last couple of years, or maybe even the last decade, voice text slowly but surely has become a big part of our lives. And using no code tools, you can also build voice applications. When it comes to project management tools, it comes to monday.com or Google Sheets. Again, is an example of using no code tools to be able to achieve your task. And the other categories include automation and analytics and customer service. In fact, no code tools can also be used to to complement the marketing activities and so on. So now let's look into each of these categories and each of the tools used in these categories in a more intuitive way. So let's start with website building, and the first option which comes to mind is HubSpot CMS. When you think of HubSpot, the first thing that comes to mind is Sales Hub or CRM features. But an overlooked feature of HubSpot is the content management system, which provides business users with an easy way to build websites, landing pages, business logos, and any content that they need. In fact, you can use HubSpot CMS to build countless templates with existing workflows, and in fact the opportunities are unlimited. So if you're already utilizing HubSpot as your CRM sales and marketing solution, you can integrate your content with all of these features to have an all-in-one platform for your business needs. And obviously the pricing will differ depending upon if you are a starter or a professional or an enterprise and so on. The second tool is Bubble. If you need to build a web app, bubble.io is your new best friend. Bubble.io gives you the opportunity to prototype a whole application, build and launch in hours, and scale your growth efficiently. With a powerful set of internal tools, it is functional and easy to use at the same time. However, what really makes it different from others out there is the ability to edit the main page, which showcases how easy it is to really create and edit a website while also gaining further admiration with this clear kind of trick. So if you can just go to the website and click on it, it allows you to edit the whole page and experience how a drag and drop and a no code functionality actually works for the user. Third is Mock Plus. Now, Mock Plus is a popular no-code tool that allows users to quickly create interactive prototypes without coding, and with a rich library of UI components and pre-designed templates, Mockup makes it easy for users to design and customize their prototypes. The fourth tool is Code2.io, which is a newly launched no-code platform that allows you to build custom response web applications without coding. It has an advanced visual editor, and it takes care of most of the aspects related to drag and drop and adding workflows and etc. Obviously, it has different pricing depending upon whether you are a solopreneur, an entrepreneur, or a small business or an enterprise. The fifth tool is Pixpa, Pixpa. It's a leading no-code website and a store builder for photographers, artists, and designers. Pixpa empowers creatives to easily build and manage a beautiful professional website with a built-in online store, blog, and client galleries. It's been in the market since 10 years and is slowly getting traction after the new AI wave. There are a lot of other tools as well, which which I'll be talking about in this episode and in the future episodes. But let's continue this journey. The next tool is Appypie, Appypie. It's another easy way to build your apps. And if you just go to the website and see, it provides you different templates, and it basically allows you to build a mobile application as well as design tools, as well as it also has a new chat builder, Webflow. Now Webflow has been in the market since a long time. It has received a lot of investment already, and it recently has integrated a lot of AI functionality also within the product. Card is like a Webflow, but it is quicker and easier. It is a perfect no-code tool for making simpler websites. For example, I myself have built my own portfolio on top of Card, and if you have used it in the past, you will appreciate that it's becoming better on a monthly basis. They're adding new features and so on. Thunkable is the next product I want to talk about, which is another no-code app building tool and has a great potential. It has some powerful features and an easy-to-use interface, and it allows you to build applications and mobile applications from both iOS as well as Android. Obviously, it has a different pricing space. As far as I remember, the free plan has around 200 MB of space on their accounts, and you can obviously pay more and get more features out of it. Drona HQ is another no-code platform. It's a cloud-based, user-friendly digital transformation platform, as they say on their website, but I have not used it, so I'll not talk more about it. And there are a lot of other tools, example, which are also integrating the AI functionalities and no-code functionalities, which includes Zoho Creator, for example, which effectively has a Zoho a template store, and basically has an API and a data enrichment functionality, which allows you to build on top of it and use it for your specific workflow. And then there have been existing players in the market like WordPress. WordPress is actually the oldest. It's an open source no-code tool that easily helps you to build any website, and has been used in the market since a long time.